Alright, it is a good morning, and I kind of just randomly decided right now that I want to document this trading day. I haven't made a video in a little bit, and I just wanted to document this trading day because it was a really nice day, and I'm quite proud of myself. So actually the performance center and stuff from yesterday is being cleared, but thankfully I do have screenshots. As you can see, I have one account at 5K profit, one at 6K, one at 9K, and one fresh one. The reason I have this many accounts is because I thought the promotion was ending, so I just put a few extra ones, and I've been slowly trading them up. So I will be dropping a video on kind of my overall wins and losses and what's been going on. But for now, I just wanted to document this trading day because I was pretty proud of my trading. So let me show you what I did today. I took, I think, like 3 trades, and I just think that they were really well picked out. So the first trade I took was over here in this fair value gap / balance price range. I was long right over here and targeting this high. So I didn't actually manage to hold all the way up in here because it was kind of chopping around in here, but I will show you the trades that I took. So yeah, this was the first trade that I took right in here, targeting this high. And these are the actual executions. I took 2 stops because I was in it a little bit too early, but I managed to long right off of here. Then I got stopped out in profit all the way up here. And then I caught another entry in here and got stopped out again. And then ultimately I ran to my targets, but I didn't hold it. But this was a pretty good trade. I think this was pretty much 25 points or something like that. And I was just really happy with it. The next trade I took was right over here. So I was actually bullish. I was expecting these highs to get taken out, but over here it wasn't doing it. And then it kind of got really close to these lows, but didn't quite take it. And it left this fair value gap in here. And when it just pumped like this directly in one straight line all the way up to this fair value gap, I was short on the 5-second chart in some bearish order flow all the way down to this first low because I didn't want to hold it any further than that. So let me show you the executions on that. My order was actually kind of bad. I was trying to be short up here, but it just moved really quickly. So it basically slipped me because I was clicking market instead of limit. But pretty much short right here at 40, and then right here for just under 20 points I got off under this low, and it was a very nice trade. Then the final trade I took was the 3 p.m. silver bullet. Once again, I was bullish. I was expecting these highs to get ultimately taken, but this would have been take profit 1. And once we cleared up this low and refused to go lower, formed a bullish fair value gap above this fair value gap, forming a balance price range, I was long over here, targeting this high, and it never really got there, but I got off right under here. I was trailing my stop, so let me show you what the executions look like. So this is what the executions look like. I was long right here on this volume imbalance with my stop underneath this order block, and I was aiming higher, as you can see. And potentially I should have trailed my stop loss more aggressively since I gave up about 10 points. TP1 would have been 65 over here, and that did not get hit, just barely. It kind of just sold off really quickly, so my stop was under this balanced price range. Once it already retraded over here, I could have moved it up a little bit. So I pretty much gave up 5 points by not trailing my stop, but still 5 points is not that bad. And I'm happy overall on the day. So to summarize, I pretty much caught 50 points today. Basically, I was trading 5 mini contracts. The total profit was 4,800 on the account. So that makes just under 50 points on the Nasdaq. And the reason I'm happy with this day, I was very patient today and my entries were very good. I only traded when I had a clear target and a clear entry. And I think that's what it's all about, because yes, you can kind of see all the moves and presume what's going to happen, but if you just take a bunch of stop losses, you're still losing money. So it's about just like picking your shots, not taking too many stop losses. And yes, of course I took some stop losses, but overall that was still 48 points of profit, including the stop losses. So net 48. And on a day like this where it was pretty kind of stuck in the range, I think that it took a lot of patience to do that. And I just feel that overall my trading is really improving. And I'm looking forward to it. So my goal is to pass 250k account. I did blow a bunch of evals because I was kind of having FOMO because the promotion was on for like 2 days, and then they were like, oh yeah, we're going to extend it. So now I'm taking it kind of easy, but it is still, I think until tomorrow, 90% off, and the 250k is for the price of the 50, so you can use my code on checkout. That's in the description. But yeah, I will be making a video once I pass an account about what I've learned and how many evals I blew and just kind of what's been going on. But in the meantime, this is a nice journal entry. I haven't done a journal entry in a while because I wasn't taking the evals seriously. I was gambling them. I do have a fresh 25k PA active, which I've not touched yet, and I will be trading at some point. So stay tuned for that. Drop a subscription. Thank you guys for all the support. We have 49 subscribers right now, so almost 50. So if one more person wants to subscribe, we can get 50. But the last 3 videos have gotten all over 100 views, which I'm very happy with, and all of them have gotten a bunch of likes. So smash like and see you guys soon.